Hi! In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and then Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, tap on this gear at the top right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log into any app and hit Save in the Google Autofill pop-up. Then you will be able to add any other passwords from those settings. If you wish to do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Enter your website data or hit Select App and tap on the best one. Then enter your username, email or phone number and password. So finally, when you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!